Let's try the brand new Walker's Crisps from Tesco. We've got sticky teriyaki and we've also got masala chicken. Masala chicken? These are both £2 in Tesco right now. Comment down below which one would you try. Start off with the sticky teriyaki. Oh, that's a darn good crisp. Loads of flavour as well. It's kind of a mix between barbecue sauce Walkers and Worcester sauce. These are very nice. These are a 9 out of 10. Chicken masala. Again, tastes very similar to the masala sauce. Chicken is fairly subtle. These are pretty darn good. These I'll go 8 out of 10. These I'm going to go 9 out of 10. Get down Tesco.